showing you a new addition to our lot. Actually, a one of a kind at this moment. It's the first one with the joystick, which I will show when we get topside. I really like this color combination here with the gray, the red stripes. It really makes it pop. As you'll notice, as we walk down the side, you'll see this corrugated fencing. This is actually specific to Harris's, and this actually helps with no denting, no flexing, makes it a much more stronger design. As we walk along the side here, you also see the signature Harris M bracket. This is one full aluminum piece. These it's not separate brackets, so this helps with stability and overall performance on the boat. As we work our way towards the transom area here, you will see a very nice stainless steel telescoping ladder. Very strong design. You won't be feeling like you're going underneath the boat when you're actually coming up. And of course, creme de la creme, we have a 300 Mercury Verado. The power on this, with this 23-foot boat, it'll blow you away. Now we're going to go topside. I'm going to show you some of the added additions topside on this luxury version of Harris Tritune. A couple things you'll notice when we first look at it is you see the JL audio system throughout. This has the upgraded MM105 that is XM satellite ready with the JL audio speakers. You have 6 in total. Very nice sound, basically the Bose of the marine world. Also, Harris signature puts ports, USB ports in all of their cup holders. And there's also plenty of cup holders on here for any of the drinks for all your guests to be comfortable. As you notice, we do have an in-floor storage. Nice way to pack some things away, maybe some water skis, things of that nature. Keep them out the way so you can enjoy your time on the water. As we move towards the helm, you'll notice right away we have 2 captain seats, one for you, one for your first mate, and they are bolster seating. These also swivel, recline, and height adjustable. If we come around here, you'll notice an upgraded table. This is usually just a storage area. However, if you pop that up, then you have an extra table, which these also come with a table with the base where you can put in the bow or the stern as well. Moving over to the helm, we have a Simrad multifunctional display. This will do your GPS, fish finder, engine diagnostics, and also CZONE controls. All your lights can be controlled through here. This has the interior and exterior lighting package. So on the interior, all your cup holders will light up, all your speakers will light up, and you can choose your pictures to set the mood. On the exterior, you will have lighting as well. It definitely looks like a party barge when you're in the water. One of my favorite things, this is digital throttle and digital steering, so about as smooth as it gets. And then, this is the first one on the ground with the single engine joystick. If you've ever tried to dock in wind or anything like that, this makes it very much easier to do so. If you turn around towards the transom area here, you see that there's plenty of seating back here as well. And just to point out, this is a soft touch vinyl upgraded for the Solstice. This is 3 tiers up on the luxury scale. Also has a very nice stainless steel gate as well. And this is your ski tow bar if you like to do some water sports or just pull the kids around in the bay. If you'd like to be one of the first to come out and test out the single engine joystick, give me a call. Jake